Okay, we've got two lines. We're going to be asked to find the exact area of ABC, but for the first part of the question, we've been asked to show that the equation of line 2 is 5x plus 3y is equal to 40. Okay, given that line 1 and line 2 are perpendicular, the gradient of line 1 is 3 over 5, so the gradient of line 2 is negative 5 over 3. And this will be equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, where y1 and x1 are coordinates on that line. Well, we know a pair of coordinates on that line, and that is 8, 0. So let's substitute those values in and see what we get. So this is negative 5 over 3, and this is equal to y minus 0 divided by x minus 8. Cross multiplying, I get that, so therefore I can say with a bit of rearrangement that 3y is equal to negative 5x plus 40. But a tiny bit more rearrangement, I can say that 5x plus 3y is equal to 40. And that's the answer for part A. So let's look at part B. They want us to find the area of this entire triangle. So we really should find the coordinates of point A, point B, point C. That will give us the height, that will give us the base. Okay, so first of all, point A. This is on line 1 where y is equal to 0. And we get that 0 is equal to 3x over 5 plus 6. And therefore x, with a lot of rearrangement, is equal to negative 10. Now the point B. Well, point B on line 2, we already know that x is equal to 8. Now point C. Well, point C's coordinates will be the solution of the two lines meeting. But to do that, we've got to make y the subject of our equation here. And I get that 3y is equal to negative 5x plus 40. And therefore, y is equal to negative 5x over 3 plus 40 over 3. So setting the two lines equal to each other, now that we've got y the subject of both of them, if we solve for x, we get a value of that x is equal to 55 over 17. The y value of C, we just substitute 55 over 17 into either of our equations, and we will get the value of y is equal to 135 over 17. So the area of ABC is equal to half the base, and the base being from negative 10 up to 8, which is 18, multiplied by our height of 135 over 17. And this is equal to, and they want it in the form of a fraction p over q, and we get 1215 over 17. And that's the answer.